Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to get iPhone emojis on the Poco C75 5G. Now to do that, just open the Play Store on your smartphone. Now from here, just search Z Phone 3. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Agree and tap on Grant. Now from here, tap on Allow and tap on OK. Now from here, scroll down and tap on See All. Now from here in the search bar section, just search iOS. Now from here, just install any emoji pack you like. I will install this one. Now from here, just tap on Download. Now it will take a few seconds to download this emoji pack on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on Apply. Now from here, tap on Via Font. Now from here, just tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on Use this folder and tap on Allow. Now from here, tap on Change Font and select an official iOS 18. Now from here, tap on Apply. Now from here, if you go to the home screen and open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now from here, just open the Emojis section. Now as you can see, the emojis are not working properly. Just go to the Recent Apps section and open the Strange app. Now from here, just tap on Apply one more time. Now from here, just go to the home screen and open the keyboard one more time. Now from here, just open the Emojis section. Now as you can see, this is how you can get iPhone emojis on the Poco C75 5G. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.